Hello everyone, welcome to English with Abrar. Today we will learn the most important verb in English. Without this verb, English is incomplete. Many students make mistakes like, he are my friend, I is happy. Why do these mistakes happen? Because we do not understand the be verb properly. In this video, you will learn be, am, is, are with zero confusion. This is video number 1 of our series 500 Verbs for Real English. In this series, we will learn one verb in one video with easy explanation and daily life examples. And today's verb is be. The meaning of be is hona. The forms of be are am, is, are, was, were, been, being. Today we will focus only on am, is and are. Remember, be is the most frequently used verb in English. Now let us learn the basic rule. With I, we use am. With he, she and it, we use is. With you, we and they, we use are. This rule is very important. When the subject changes, the be verb also changes. Let us see some easy examples. I am a student, she is happy, he is my brother, they are friends, we are ready. These are very common sentences used in daily life. Now let us look at some common mistakes. He are a teacher. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, he is a teacher. I is late. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, I am late. Remember, with I, we never use is. Now let us learn negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, we add not after the be verb. I am not tired. She is not angry. They are not busy. This rule is very simple. Now let us make questions. To make a question, the be verb comes before the subject. Are you ready? Is he your friend? Am I late? This structure is very important for spoken English. Now it is time for practice. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. I dash a teacher. Number 2. She dash my sister. Number 3. They dash happy. Pause the video and try. The answers are am, is, are. Now let us see how be is used in conversation. Are you free now? Yes, I am free. Is she at home? No, she is not. If you use be correctly, your spoken English becomes much easier. Let us summarize today's lesson. Be means hona. I takes am, he, she and it take is. You, we and they take are. For negative, add not. For questions, bring be before the subject. Remember one thing. If you master be, almost 40% of your English becomes easy. If this video helps you, like it, subscribe to English with Abrar and comment, I am learning English.